Validity time of check. Answer 3 months. World Cup Cricket 2023 venue. Answer India. Headquarter of ISRO, full form Indian Space Research Organization. Answer Bengaluru. Which day celebrated National Science Day? Answer February 28. First bank in India. Answer Bank of Hindustan. Percentage of nitrogen in air. Answer 78% nitrogen. First Olympic game was held in. Answer Athens, Greece. Which one is the smallest ocean in the world? Answer Arctic Ocean. Which country gifted the Statue of Liberty to USA in 1886? Answer France. Dead Sea is located between which two countries? Answer Jordan and Israel. In which ocean Bermuda Triangle region is located? Answer Atlantic Ocean. Which country is known as the playground of Europe? Answer Switzerland. Which country is also known as the land of rising sun? Answer Japan. Which country is known as the land of thunderbolt? Answer Bhutan. Which continent has the highest number of countries? Answer Africa. In which country white elephant is found? Answer Thailand. Total number of oceans in the world is? Answer 5 oceans. Which country is also known as the land of thousand lakes? Answer Finland. The theory of economics drain of India during British imperialism was propounded by? Answer Dadabhai Naoroji. Who is the author of the book The Great Rebellion? Answer Ashok Mehta. Bhagat Singh Sukhdev Rajguru was sentenced to death in? Answer Lahore conspiracy case. The Upanishad are? Answer a source of Hindu philosophy. The Harappan civilization was discovered in? Answer 1920 to 1921. India's first payment bank. Answer Airtel in Rajasthan. Oscar Lifetime Achievement Award 2016. Answer Jackie Chan. Which plateau is known as the roof of the world? Answer Pamir. The world's longest straight road without any corners is located in? Answer Saudi Arabia. Which one is the biggest island in the world? Answer Greenland. Which one is the world's highest altitude civilian airport? Answer Dowching Yarding Airport. Which river is flowing through Grand Canyon of Arizona, USA? Answer Colorado River. Which one is the largest tropical rainforest in the world? Answer: Amazon. Which one is the longest continental mountain range in the world? Answer: Andes. First to launch cyber police station in all India districts? Answer: Maharashtra. Heart of Asia Summit held in which city? Answer: Amritsar. First Indian IOC member? Answer: Neeta Ambani. The main river flowing in the state of Jammu and Kashmir is? Answer: Indus. The most important coal field in India is? Answer: Jharia coal fields. The Kabul Lam Jaw, the only floating national park in the world, is in? Answer: Manipur. Tapti river originates from? Answer: Satpura range. Wild Ass Sanctuary is situated in? Answer: Little Run of Kutch, Gujarat. Shri Harikota situated in? Answer: Andhra Pradesh. The headquarter of North Eastern Railway is? Answer: Gorakhpur. Which is a major port on the east coast of India? Answer: Vishakhapatnam. The state has its own constitution is? Answer: Jammu and Kashmir. Under which constitutional amendment 30% seats in village panchayats have been reserved for women in India? Answer: under Amendment 73. The oath of office is conducted to the President by? Answer: the Chief Justice of India. The zonal council are the statutory bodies established by an act of the Parliament, that is? Answer: State Reorganization Act of 1956. The provision of Panchayat has been mentioned in? Answer: Part 11. The Indian Constitution provides for the appointment of ad hoc judge in the? Answer: Supreme Court. The call for Quit India movement against Britisher was given in? Answer: 1942.